So they give you this ring when you earn your first $100,000 online with them. It even puts your name on there for you. They also give you these plaques back here to commemorate those milestones. But that award system is not unique to that particular company. See this steering wheel looking thing back here? Well, I got that when I won the Dream Car Award. Basically, I refer enough clients to this company, they pay me a percentage of the sales, and when I hit a threshold, they give me money every month to buy a brand new car. Now, the business model that I've been doing since 2016, which, oh, by the way, allowed me to quit my restaurant job, is called affiliate marketing. Basically, I promote other people's products, they pay me a commission, and this is how I started my beginner-friendly work from anywhere business without creating products, without dealing with customers, without really selling anything, and certainly without charging credit cards or worrying about fulfillment. And if you want to learn more about this business model, there's a link here or somewhere around where you can get more information without risk.